Hi, this is just a quick video show you how to get into factory test mode on the GE profile dishwasher. Quietpower 6 might work with some other dishwashers. So for testing purpose, I attached the dishwasher to a standard plug like this. At home it will be in your panel. You will put the breaker to the off position for at least 10 seconds. Then you'll switch it back to on. I'll use this and just plug it in the inlet like that. Okay, so uh, you have 2 minutes to get into the test mode. You press both those at the same time. So it begins with the test mode. All lights, all LED illuminate for 10 seconds. Then it will activate the fan for 5 seconds. Detergent model is activated. Other valve energizes after 60 seconds, and it all goes through the test cycle and calibration. So this is it. If you want to test your dishwasher, this is how you do it. And these are all the sequence for this particular. So mine, I have a problem with mine. It stops at main pump here. For have a problem maybe with the main pump or the board itself. So that's how you do it. Simple as that. Thank you.